I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite apps that I play on my phone called Flow. The goal of Flow is to connect each pair of matching color dots without crossing over other colors. And you also have to do this while covering every possible empty space on the board. So I'm going to show you some footage of me playing Flow here. So there's some easier levels, some smaller levels with fewer colors. You can see I kind of fly through this. I've been playing this for quite a while, and there's definitely some strategies that you can use, and I'll cover some of those strategies once I finish kind of showing you here my daily puzzles that I work on. Here's a much tougher 10 by 10 puzzle. The bigger the board, the more colors you can add in, which also increases the difficulty in some cases. Actually, the fewer the colors with the bigger the board really makes it much, much more difficult. And so on this app, and I'll share with you the exact name of the app, and it's free to play. There is a paid option where you can avoid ads and you can unlock other further levels. And so occasionally you'll get done with one, and there will be an ad you have to get through. So let me start this one and talk about some strategies. So I usually like to start with the outer connections. As you see here, I kind of started with the blue, the yellow, the green, and kept working my way towards the inside. Um, Sometimes you'll notice that certain colors have to go a particular way, and so you can avoid kind of crisscrossing paths. Like in this one, you almost immediately notice that the yellow and the light blue are up in the top left corner, so there's a good chance they're going to stay up there. Some colors will really wrap around the entire map. Here's a much more difficult one. These are usually have to kind of slow down and plan a little bit more accordingly. Once you have, or once you've connected two color dots, you are allowed to redo the connection if you realize that a connection isn't what it should be. You can cross over another color, but then it will break the color connection that you had made previously as well. You can tell in this one that I really have to slow down and think about how everything gets all connected together. And so this is the beginning of what it looks like when you first go in. And the daily puzzles at the very top is what I commonly will do every day. I'm pretty sure I've paid for the extra packages in my app, so there's many, many, many more options of puzzles for me to do. Now, this is on the App Store. I'm sure this is on also the Google Play Store as well. You can just download the Flow free, and that just covers square puzzles, which is all I really showed you in this introduction. But there's also some various puzzles called like hexes, and that just adds some more directions. Instead of just going up, down, left, right, you can kind of go diagonally as well. There's also flow-free bridges, which allows you to go up and over or down and under other colors. So that's kind of an interesting twist on it. And then there's also flow-free warps. And this allows you to kind of open up your confined area and kind of go through like a wormhole. And you go out the left side, and all of a sudden you're back in the right side. So these are all just different variations. So good luck playing Flow. Here's an example I just wanted to show you of the most extreme that Flow can get. Then you start playing some rectangular boards, but still, a puzzle like this would take me quite a while to figure out in the end. And you can get free hints if you watch little 30-second ads, and you can build up your hints and always use those if you get stuck. So good luck playing Flow. Again, it's one of my favorite apps that I enjoy playing, and have a great weekend.